Good Monday morning.
She tells me, she's like, hey, Dominic has an extra.
Alright. Getting ready to head out. I have an eye doctor appointment I need to get done. And then I'm hoping to run to Trader Joe's maybe after and see what they got. It's been a long time since I've been to Trader Joe's. And then also I'm gonna pick up McAllister's and then come home. It's a rainy, gloomy day. The kind you just want to curl up on a couch and you don't want to leave your house, and I don't want to leave, but I need to go get my eyes checked because I need contacts bad. I'm on my last pair right now. So we're gonna head out and go handle this and then come home and get cozy. I really don't think there's gonna be a ton I'm gonna do today because it is a gloomy day. I mean, there's a few meal prep item things that like I need to do, but the majority of what I need to do will be chilling. Guys, that appointment took so long. They didn't even get me back till like 30 minutes past my appointment time. I don't even know if I really want to go to Trader Joe's, to be honest. There's nothing I desperately need. I just kind of wanted to look, but I feel like I'd rather do that on a different day if I'm going to. I think I'm just going to order McAllister's and pick that up because it's on my way back, and then take it home and eat. Yeah. Today is gonna be very meh. I haven't felt good this morning either. I don't know what's going on, but like, I don't know if you know that lymph node right behind your ear, like that hurts today really bad, and I'm like, I hope I'm not getting sick. Anyway, I think I'm gonna order my McAllister's, go pick that up and head home, and we're gonna skip Trader Joe's today. So this is what I got: potato salad, had to get some sweet tea, and then the McAllister's Club on a ciabatta roll. Super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this and we'll check in later. I need to make some Spanish rice for lunch this week. We're gonna have Spanish rice burritos because it's easy and it's yummy. And then I also wanna do some like apples with like cinnamon brown sugar and stuff, so I can put that on my oatmeal this week. All right, got this, and we got this. That's how I make it. I usually just add some cheese and put it on a tortilla shell, and then I can eat it. Super simple, but it makes a great lunch, and I love the Spanish rice. So, and then we'll start on the apples once I get this stuff going. Butter in here, and I need to add baby, I'm missing you. But everything that you do makes me love you. Tell me everything. You know I'm listening. Hours pass us by. Yeah, we could
holding me close, swear it's alright. Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know. Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you. Oh. Tell me everything. You know I'm listening. Hours pass us by. Yeah, we could talk all night. Taking my time, messing my life, swear I don't mind. Say that you'll stay, holding me close, swear it's alright. Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know. Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you. Babe, I feel the rush. Everything you touch. Babe, I'm missing you. Everything you do. Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you
All right, and that stuff can cool. But I'm gonna go enjoy my coffee and probably watch a show. Okay, I just did my workout. I would show you guys, but I can't because I gotta use my phone to actually, what do you call it? To see the workout. So that's why I don't show you when I'm working out. I did do a clip in one of my videos kind of showing you some of the step ideas that they do, but they're like somewhere between probably 24 to 29 minutes long right now. They definitely get your heart pumping and I start sweating, but it's doing me some good. And I needed to find something that would give me like a routine, like a plan that I didn't have to think about, because I just don't work out when I don't. So it was like, I think $26 maybe for the first 3 months. And then I think the next 6 months when it renews, it's gonna be like 70. And I've been debating whether I want to like keep going or if I want to stop it, but it's kind of easy to just do and not think about. And I am seeing little changes, but it's not overwhelming where it's like making me sick or it's too much, like my body's not sore. So I kind of feel like I probably should renew it and continue on, get me into the new year, and then hopefully find a rhythm of something else I can do on my own that might be a little bit more, like bring it up a notch, but we'll see. Anyway, yeah, so workout's done. I'm gonna chill for a little bit, get my heart rate back down, and then we'll see. Hopefully my Sam stuff will be here soon so I can show you that. We're gonna go ahead and start dinner. I was hoping to do the Sam's haul, but honestly, I'm kind of surprised my package hasn't shown up. Usually FedEx is here early. Sam's package finally arrived, so I can show you what I got. And that's gonna wrap up this video. Not that I think there's anything too special in here, but like I said, just thought I would share. All right. My favorite Built Puff bars, so I have protein bars for the week. I also saw this last time I was at Sam's. It's the Kinder Seasoning Homestyle Stuffing Mix. I was really excited about that. I've never had anything bad from Kinder so far, and I thought this could be fun to, and I think there's like probably the equivalent of maybe 3 boxes of stovetop, so I was like, this is perfect to have for Thanksgiving and some for after. I also bought some Kind breakfast protein bars to try, because the Built bars I love, but they're expensive, and I need to find another alternative that works for me. The only thing is, like, most of the protein bars that I find are like way lower in protein. Like, these only have 8 grams, but these ones are like 17 grams in one of them and 15 in the other. And I'm like, because I'm struggling really hard to get enough protein. Also, they brought back, like they had last year at Sam's, the Vital Proteins collagen salted caramel flavor. I'm out of my mocha, and I thought, well, when I saw this, it's a bigger container, so I figured I'd get that to go next. And lastly, so my original intention buying these kitchen towels was that they had a 3-pack of the Mrs. Meyer's holiday scented hand soaps. I have a feeling they were actually leftover 3-packs from last year, but when I placed the order, they ended up canceling it because they didn't actually have it. So I ended up with the hand towels anyway, because I thought, oh, I could do hand towels and hand soap as a gift idea. I'm glad I ended up buying something else that I was gonna gift these people. So that kind of worked out. But I have the hand towels, so if I find the soaps maybe a little later in the season when they come back out, I can still do this as a gift for other people. Worst case, I've got green hand towels for the kitchen for Christmas. So that's where I'm gonna leave you on this rainy day. It's like a little after 6 p.m. I honestly just didn't end up doing a lot between the weather and just needing a low-key day. I really didn't do much. I do hope that everyone enjoyed, and as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.